Creating a patient cohort from EHR, imaging, and omics data takes months. Now it's possible with just a few clicks with our AI-powered cohorter tool. This is how you integrate Poly Insights in your existing workflow. Build your cohort just by asking a question. Poly Insights allows you to create complex patient cohorts using simple, natural language queries. Just ask the question. Poly takes care of the rest. Real-time results, no coding required. See your cohort in seconds, not months. Poly Insights instantly generates a detailed cohort summary, number of patients, age distribution, and key clinical insights, all in one place. Need to refine your cohort? Poly Insights lets you refine your selection using specific conditions like age, diagnosis, and biomarkers in real time. Visualize patterns and trends at a glance. Go beyond surface-level insights. Get the statistical analysis you need to track outcomes and assess treatment effectiveness. What makes our cohorter tool unique?